So this episode we will be reviewing all of these. So these are kind of like movie, like chains and things that you can, you'll see. So, so first is this. You can make you can use it as like a wrist, but you can like wear it on your wrist or around your neck, and then it's movable. So, and then now this one, you can spin it around and These two are the same except for different colours. You can pull them apart a little bit because it's elastic. They can stand up and you can turn them and there's this as well. You can straighten it out. And you can make like squares and rectangles. Each of these little things moves. And there's also this. This can come apart, so it can become one long chain, and it can also be together. Yep, like that. Yep, there's this one as well. You can, so it's like a chain. You can, each of these little different sections can move. It's got like a little sloth, I think it is. Yeah. And then there's also this one. These two are both slightly different. This one's a bit smaller than this one. The pegs inside. So when you pull them apart, these two can't go together. So you can't mix those two because they're both different brands. But I like this one more because the joints are a lot looser. So it's a bit more like just less like hard kind of,